Hello and welcome to my new Guitar-Nerdery video. Today I want to dive into all minor scales of the Ionian System. I'm gonna demonstrate how you can integrate those special mode sounds into your riff by making small changes of the notes. I'm gonna demonstrate those minor scales of the Ionian System, how you can integrate those special mode sounds into your riff by making small changes of the notes. Conform to the exclusion principle. If you want to create a riff that has the character of the special mode, you have to integrate exactly that note that is different. If you do not do it, then there's no difference. I'm gonna explain everything in the key of E. And therefore we're taking this low E and the E on the A string in the 7th position as the frame. The E Aeolian mode, the E Aeolian scale. Let's take this as a reference. I'm gonna play a riff in E Aeolian. Let's see what makes this riff Aeolian. I'm starting with the 7th and the root. At this point nothing is defined because the minor 7 and the root, of course, is in all 4 scales. The following notes are: I have a C here and the C is the minor 6. That means Dorian is out of the race. But still here, 3 of them scales are in the race. So let's check if the following notes define it. That octave thing here. I'm playing a F sharp and a G. And the F sharp throws the Phrygian and the Locrian mode out of the race, because they need a minor 2nd, the F. At this point, Aeolian is defined, because Dorian and Phrygian and Locrian are not possible anymore. What do we need to do to make this riff Dorian? Dorian was thrown out by the C, by the minor 6. If I transform all Cs to C sharp, it must be Dorian then, because that's the only difference. You see, I also changed the last chord, because in the Aeolian mode I played a C power chord, and C would be the minor 6, so it's not possible. And I changed the C to an inversion of an A major chord. To transform this riff into Phrygian mode, we have to change the major 2nd F sharp to the minor 2nd F. Here I play, instead of the F sharp, I play the F. To enhance the Phrygian character, I also changed the last chord. The C power chord goes to F power chord. Wasn't necessary actually, but yeah, it enhances the sound. That way the important note for the Phrygian mode, the minor 2nd, in this case the F, gets some extra attention. To change this riff into Locrian mode, we can stick to the Frisian concept, but we have to add a B flat. The B has to go to the B flat. Only at the last chord, the B flat power chord, I can make the statement that this is Locrian mode, because there are no other Bs that I can flatten to B flat in the riff. Now all 4 riffs after each other for you to compare the sound. This was it for today. I hope you had fun watching it and learned something. Please like and subscribe, and see you next week.